Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I thought I would share some of my floral illustration process. So of course in the very beginning here I start off with a light pencil drawing, and that is just a 2B pencil, so nothing fancy there, just your regular pencil, a light drawing, and then I will go ahead with my kneaded eraser and lighten up the lines. And instead of using regular watercolor, I'm going to use, right there I was showing, that's like an ink outline with some waterproof ink. And instead of the regular watercolors, I thought I would go in with my watercolor crayons that are Caran d'Ache. And just because there's so much detail, little tiny areas here, I thought it would be a little bit easier and just something different. So that's always nice. I'm sure I'm not the only one. You get bored doing like the same thing all the time. So I have a few different colors I'm going to use here, and I will show close-ups of everything. I am going to put all of the color down first, and then I will apply the water and show how well it blends and everything here. So this would be like step 3. So first would be the pencil, and then outline it in ink if you wanted to, and then your watercolor of choice, whether it was like regular or the crayons. And then in the final step I'm going to show like some thicker strokes with black ink from like an actual ink jar instead of just the pens. And here's an overview of how everything looks. And that is it for today's video and my process that I just wanted to share. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.